Right, I'm a Ziba, I know so and a penny son, Cassaboy do. Momoda ought to do me December 3rd, and a year to me to do. You shall pay 70 blow, not but Sylvia. About to commission manager Minsa at Sumazis. I wasn't when you my presidential election at Tugua and the we work at say, I am some. President elect Aka is some to my children on Ghana. No other one. When ba want to ma fodo with the two nations the man sooner I ibako efutumampo nazema ho wurusu de aban bomazanara Abraham Sabero send 2 years ni wonensanka aya nsu aya pa bon autonomy na pinjoke ke ho na ndoso waye otumfo alanpe me nsa ka no fia ha anpe baba be m akira aya nazema wenwo gudu maso gudu waye Concert TV mamawachi aya jumezido Yakada Yombra, Yaba, Eva Majaba, and Selina, Etumna Achro. Mezamzi Omar bin Abdallah. Yes, I was like Pakistan if he mammy Jimmy some better commission paina. I don't know sure on your presidential election do send Sagana yet to a bar. You constituency biara on your metro, district, and then municipal. I have paina automatic about to do I don't know share on your constituency do if you automatically declare MPs are whole. Then mum you should gather the funding nara. I bet to commission mammy Jimmy I know about Martin Occurrence, why simple if you are the presidential election to order to go. Fit a member die to a bar, no can summon boy, you may end that in bill. I am Mammy Mesa, till go more in paying for. Obama Baba is saying, what share, oh yeah, 1 hour to Queen, 1 or so I want to know what judgment there, who goes into Abba one of her. Abraham Mesa, till go no children same day. And Pepper, Susanina, Atumabano, in Bia Abubia, I Akno, questions are Chromodia Bumpa. Now, was a man, I want to know what to the Ebiana, Yama Pass, I want to him no, and so ultra there are others who are in out on Baba to go. They get to a mammy J. Mesa, there's some automotive to go. Abra, I use some job for you come out, the other Friday now.
A good evening to all of you, our distinguished guests. To God be all the glory, great things he has done, and greater things he will do. We thank the good Lord for making it possible for us to witness this day. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been 48 hours since the close of polls on Saturday, the 7th of December, 2024. The voters of Ghana have spoken. They have expressed their choice at the polls, and that choice will today be upheld by the Electoral Commission of Ghana. As a commission, we have fulfilled our vowed aspiration to imbibe transparency, accountability, inclusiveness, and responsiveness at the heart of all our operations. And I can confidently say that with the help of God, we have fulfilled these aspirations and the expectations of the citizenry. We have conducted elections that are credible, fair, transparent, and peaceful. Elections that have expressed, elections that have ensured that the will of the people as expressed at the polls, the elections that have guaranteed that every vote counts. As a country, we take pride in the fact that our electoral processes, initiated since 1992, uphold and guarantee the voter's choice. We take pride in the fact that the voter's choice, as expressed at the polls, is sacrosanct. Ladies and gentlemen, the last 4 years have been spent in injecting and infusing 4 key elements into every aspect of our work. And those elements are transparency, accountability, responsiveness, and inclusiveness. As such, we started the year poised and ready to conduct credible elections. We were conscious that elections were an event and not a process. This resolve led us to undertake several transformational decisions, including the re-exhibiting of the Provisional Voters Register for the first time in our history, when concerns were raised about its credibility, as well as opening up the IPAC meetings to the citizenry by allowing the live coverage of all IPAC meetings. Indeed, the decisions to re-exhibit the Provisional Voters Register to allow a further review by political parties and the citizenry, as well as the demystification of the IPAC meeting, has helped diffuse the tensions that were brewing around the Provisional Voters Register. Ultimately, those two decisions restored the confidence of the citizens in the Voters Register and cemented Garnet's peace. Again, in the spirit of responsiveness, when complaints were made about the 50 pesos charged voters for the verification of their registration details online, the Commission waived the fee and allowed voters to verify their details at no cost. In line with our determination to ensure the credibility of the 2024 election, when the Commission received information of the leak of a single defaced ballot paper, the Commission acted swiftly and destroyed ballots for both Western and Eastern regions. This bold determination and this bold decision was based on our determination to uphold the integrity of the election at all costs. In less than 1 week, the Commission printed new ballot papers for both regions and went on to successfully hold the special voting 2 days ahead of the main election. As from the ECOWAS, from the African Union, from the ECONEC, from the Commonwealth, ladies and gentlemen, now to the results of the 2024 presidential election. And the results will be announced based on the positions of the presidential candidates on the ballot. Mahamudu Bawumia of the NPP obtained 4,657,304, being 41.61%. Daniel Augustus Latte Jr. of the GCPP obtained 16,673, being 0.15%. Christian Kwabena Andrews of the Ghana Union Movement obtained 16,461, being 0.15%. Kofi Apalu of the LPG obtained 5,219, being 0.09%. Mohamed Frimpong of the National Democratic Party obtained 4,413, being 0.04%. Nana Akosua Frimpong of the CPP obtained 23,397, being 0.21%. Mr. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC obtained 6 million. Let me take that again. Mr. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC obtained 6,328,397. And I'd like to repeat that. Mr. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC obtained 6,328,397, being 56.55%. Mr. Hassan Ayariga of the APC obtained 17,461, being 0.16%. Mr. Kofi Kranting, independent candidate, obtained 3,320, being 0.03%. Mr. George Chumberima Edu, independent candidate, obtained 3,091, being 0.02%. Nana Kwame Biediaku, independent candidate, obtained 84,478, being 0.05%. Mr. Alan Kojo Tremanting, independent candidate, obtained 31,202, being 0.28%. The total valid votes cast add up to 11,191,422. Total rejected votes 239,109. Total votes cast 11,430,531. It's important to mention that the total registered voters add up to 18,774,159. And the percentage voter turnout based on the 267 constituencies stands at 60.9%. 60.9% based on the 267 constituencies. And as I mentioned, this does not include the 9 constituencies whose results we are yet to receive. Ladies and gentlemen, as mentioned earlier, results from the 9 constituencies are still as outstanding. The 9 constituencies are Ewutu Senya East, in Sawam, Aduajiri, Akwetia, Suhum, Techiman South, Domi Kwabenya, Ablekuma North, Ahafo Anon North, and Damango. The total registered voters in all 9 constituencies add up to 947,116. In the event that all the valid voters from the 9 constituencies above voted for the candidate who placed second, the total number of votes he would garner would be 5,604,420, representing 46.17% of the total valid votes, which would have been 12,138,538. The inclusion of the outstanding constituencies would have given the leading candidate 52.13%, which is still greater than the 50% plus 1 required to be declared a winner. And so even with that scenario, he's clearly the winner of the 2024 election. In the light of the above, ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor as the returning officer of the 2024 presidential election to declare His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as the winner of the 2024 presidential election and the president-elect of the Republic of Ghana with a total percentage of 56.55%. Congratulations, sir. It is finished. Thank you very much.
Sorry, it is for the Devon Abbott Commission, Mammy Jamesa, Otumna Oracan. Yakone, my president-elect John Dramani Mahama. I have some job to share. The part of my could go for you, or them send to her.
Very much. God bless all of you. Building our message to all our traditional leaders who warmly received me in your palaces during the campaign, to all our security personnel across the country, and to the media, to you all, I say a big thank you. To Mrs. Jean Mensah and her staff of the Electoral Commission, the IGP and his Election Security Task Force, our international observers, and all who have contributed to a very successful election, I convey to you the warmest wishes of a grateful nation. For all its historic undertones, this mandate represents many things for all political actors and those who seek to lead our nation. It shows that the Ghanaian people have little tolerance for bad governance, particularly of the sort witnessed in the last 8 years, and that they are willing to take decisive action at critical moments when it matters most. These 8 years have witnessed some of the darkest periods of our governance. The crisis our beloved country has been through these last several years have left a scar on our national psyche, which may take some time to erase. This mandate also serves as a constant reminder of what fate awaits us if we fail to meet the aspirations of our people and govern with arrogance. My brothers and sisters, there is much to do to salvage our country and reset it. It would have to start with a reset of the relationship between citizens and elected officials. We must never forget that the people of Ghana have chosen us to represent their wishes and their best interests. It is the reason we would be initiating important governance reforms and sometimes initiate severe measures in the next 4 years to reset our nation and bring it back on track as the Black Star of Africa.
Damin Sami na Pinyoga Kaon Omampain or President-elect Otomodu Tuga. Damin Sam Kuyara na Abra or the candidate for MPP, Mechira Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, answer Abetu Commission, or the Susana Babano, na waiting can adjust from the words in Google, Ema, Domipi, na Wabanaba, the Wayana Mapawotumotu. Member of Parliament, Cape Coast North, Kwame Nyako, also to Shoma by the Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the candidate for MPP.
We feel and Amamu team very, very good. Very good, and I respect him for that. Once the results of Sasidorba, fighting about it and making noise about it, and for him, I doff my hat for him for that showmanship of a gentleman. We showed a gentleman, Papa, and we showed the Ghana he has some it's not can be a and once he knows that there's work ahead or the also or the support or the back, he to get to clear. So tonight, me transit here, so me look at as no year, so Wama peace no or before well Sunday in Yamako for the way in
Damin Sam Kuyara Abra, I am member of Parliament, or two child Atama, I am the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, in Sam Kuyara, I am Chechenya, or CCTU, Cape Coast Second Kind University, Anthony Akwasa, no so other Missami, Tio.
No one a man yet an uncle. In fact, and the quality quoting Yanni Nipa would depend or bad the Mazibi, or Mahama, why, or ye be the man, or ye na adodan kokofo ado nti ne so wedu ne 10 na otra abo yimpa ebie ne woro kuna obi ahye no nfa wo to wo hwe me kunu mesimo o si wona bebo wo hye no nfa wo bubu wo sina na sa ama won sare tantantantam na anhwe ne ye ya ina da atwaro akọ nti sina na wa man tantam na wa man da anhwe na nkofo no bu ya hye ho no nfa nti ba wa ba na de ne ko enum de emede ndc fo inyan yampia basa
David Samina, I lecture so to go. Independent candidate, Nana Kwamina Bediako, do not for the cheddar. No so at the 72, I the president elect, name there, Ghana as we gain here and want to soon a to me.
Umenda Ghana Fasi say yet to be at Waba, I was dream. Now, as I'm very so, if I say, the Faso, I'm in Mark, president elect. John, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say, wedding pudding, Nagana Fonso, and you know, together no more buono, Amanetini, Atuabe Yamana, Akoso, a winning. Now, Namekani say, and ye bit media tonnage be as Ghanaians, Yanjanian fan tonnage, because Odicampobia, I be too soon. Or noa, and necessary, Yabuano. Utili ya necessary ye ema emano economy mumi enkai hu se ye choose no sanso necessary talent na sanso necessary de mpaye eni kakra e betimi aye ama omana sori gina ho sanso necessary ye itimi de gina hai enda
David Samina Nana Kwame Bediako independent candidate autumn no other to go. Efutuma ka aya Cape Coast North constituency ho abra abaton sisa tumba ma aya tumulikiti aya abafofo anade banidi foforo no ana wo chensem de za wonyaye impuntu asomje de wotuma abra ma asomje aba me sisi araje Ghana kita asomje za abafoforo wa be impuntu no wotumnya Rosemont Lati community member de da mesem tuga abra Kosa TV we jonko
and say, Abazina, I put up ban automatic. Is that what your father?
But you're from Rosemont. How they do not from Utua. I had to abandon it. How about I will should abandon you? Don't see. I be for 2 months. I have a farming community. Now you're lacking your baby because of Yanni Juma Yazino or ye quite Juma Yazino. Yenny and a cousin tea. I may quite to me a Juma and called to them when I home come. Say, Fanny, I bear you and her. Yenny BBI, yet to me, I be no abandoned by young war another 7 years was she in it. On my quaffon, but to me, I've been being away who have been more, I say. The best abandoned. Ye do have baby were half for corner. You have a machine over there and go no. Of you are, you do a brew tomatoes nadi. Fertilizer, I would do adi. Nay, Hannah Habana yet dono. O may I hand who come a brebe breed, Abana more and bra. Able to be a dad door, Hannah Haban, may know who are hiring him. Yes, I should joke to have got Yenya BBI factory, Eddie, and I could to book of all intimate and I could take pay in Toma, Tissy and Boy Richard, the Kutina to yes, for 2 months and had a young woman brave here, but one in a quaffano, and him will be brave. Yes, I abandoned a boy, almost a hen now whom near brave brave.
Your solution, my Hinaquan, the Hinaquan really, and then so how.
And a quantity. Yamanado Moyaka Carnemum, or feet. Henny Junction to Dibble Crewman. On it, why a very risky am I? Tissy and soon son, a choquan, bassa. A terrier from Nanya driver, one cassa, Aqua, Quano drying in Miss Morton, never in the father. Yenny life or at risk. The Abbassa, but no motion, no quan on family, ordered by a crewman. On board, and then going your quan on family. On the Sufu, a down here, a wire hen of quine. Contractor no or disconnected pipelines are all crewman because of a corner worry unit. Area Yashi ma 2 years to quiet me and 2 years and no pipe that. The Subi or the hen and hand of one can consume poor recently. Cholera didn't have been my hand in class A be no way in crewman. It's a cholera case or woman. Oh, yes, because of performance soon I know. It's a best abandoned in your motion hand had a man pony and you see 2 years and no pipe that. bo ho obi na sisi oji hen kakra yarba dress nti o mo hwe hen pipe no so na wonye man
It was the nice in
Right, the mission of Rosemond, Lati, automatic to go. According to him there, in Portugal here, now so Wabaya, I Futuma, or Conabia, automatic or Nima, Uncle Home Community, Wabaya Conano, Wasaya Nusu, and I pipelines our option in fear being when you are a boho, I am the I pipe water, one of me. I'm a letter of Brother Papa, be Belko so, or ye, the other suit to Mamma, no sort the other pea, not to whatever. Or chair, Nijao, far, in fear being now, I pipe water, one sentiment can, na, who chronoso, Utumuzari, who are you so.
I will go to school. And I'm here no quantity, although your crying or bensum or gross or beautiful film and Yanum Kakama or one so, or for binti. I saw Buffy how about coffee. Now one no ma wedding carbon when I done a plan was Simon Oko school. Another one of you baby were Ben Oko school. Into your hand in soon quantity tintinity. Oh, my more farmer no one school couldn't put a home. And 2 Menenka and Bensu be then watched out for own work grandpa on the school while for them to order to nephew. It's your the whole baby or the brain work for 2 months. Oh, you need to come on a corner for the enemy.
Until Nana more saw today, Bassa. Nimping for some members and a more to motion. I want to see another who come from so to water over you.
You come up from see to me, I can who will be a can why the same an assembly man or any queen painful. No course, some nanomates to be no can assembly man walk quite walk pay in soon whom I'm walking any day. What the estimating am a contractor now, or by your quan, after pipe or disconnecting on the contractor and cashier for me. 2 years, union swing, painful brand or black when I busy baby.
Ya to abe aba sam na kachira aba free to me ya to aba free aba sam na kachira mpempe da ko no susam
ya basre nenka wa kai futu man pam yen susam ya bre nsuze o ya za no ho hia papa da me bre ya nsu ayanum abran ya rebe mpo hwede nya ya mutu a rekọ erfi erekọre ba o de nsu nanum na wala wa ho makon se ya bono ma na anyi me ya reba abamu nti ya sa da ban twe enyu mo hwe mpempempre wa yen susam na ya bre won susam
Only your friend Abidjan no dey so.
But your friend slowly.
Into ofin for no be
Jo kwa won.
Aha, na ze anapon son kese boni na itbc. Me yi we finifia na pinye ne tuma kechira e bo ma ze tuma za bro. Mezalisi Omar bin Abdul.